I have gone over all the surfaces on the car that we're going to paint, because I have to have filler out through the old paint. So that will I do, but first we should repair all the damages on these skirt pieces. So I think I'm done with the prepare for all these pieces. One of the pieces, this is the right rear, I don't need to do any plus repair on at all. But I have a lot of the others. I found small cracks I want to take care of. They have done some repairs on the inside, but they're not done a plus repair on the outside. Just put the filler and the paint over it. And then the cracks go through after a couple of years. So we have to take care of that, so it will be fine. It's on all three of the others. I have a lot of repairs. This one is just a little on, not so much, but I have to take care of it. Then we have this skirt piece. This is the left one, and it looks okay, but if you do like this and look at this piece, let's see if you can see there. You can see through there. So I maybe have to fill up this a bit. And I have to think through what's the best way to do it. I think I just can put some tape over it and plaster on the inside to get something to plaster on from the outside. I think that's the best way to do it. And that's what we're going to do now. Maybe it was hard to understand before how I should do with this skirt piece here. But now I have put some tape on this edge here, and that gives me a flange to lay plastic to. So I will plaster from this side and over and let that cure. Then we can take this tape off and see if we have to lay some plaster layer from this side too. Let's try it. I just made lots of these small pieces, and I'm gonna patch them over all these cracks. Then we grind it flat afterwards. On small repairs like this, you're not gonna have a perfect piece fit over it, so you lay small pieces and build it up. We're gonna take a half deciliter. I think it's good. Like that. We're gonna mix it here. I'm gonna put some plus on this. Put the first piece on. What do you think? I think this will work. Right now we're waiting for the skirts over there to cure, and while we're waiting we're gonna take off these intakes here, or ventilation, or jävlar, or what do you call it. I have some repairs I have to do of them, and to do the repairs we take them off first. And right now they are glued in with hot glue, so I think we can just heat the hot glue up and pull them out of there. Let's see how it goes. Let's see if this can be the right tools for the job. I can see it's hot glue over here, and I just think if I heat it up I could scrape it off, I think. Let's try that. Gonna use this hot air gun. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.